Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned for a money-saving tip. So I have this barbecue pit. Right now I'm lighting it up for, a weekend cook. The problem is that this barbecue pit is fairly deep. If you look down here, it has a very nice deep belly. What was happening here was that I was using about 1 to 1.5 of these big bags of charcoal every time I cook, and that was starting to be a little bit costly. So one of the two things that I did is first of all I went and I bought myself probably like half a cord of firewood, which will help. But the main thing that I did to try to save myself a little bit of money is I bought some of these heavy-duty cooking grates. Now these, I'm going to have a link on the bottom in the description if you guys are interested. It took 3 for me. There's 3 of these. They're adjustable. They're down there. And they're adjustable, which was perfect because you can adjust them as low or as high as you want. But what this does is these heavy-duty grates, let me bring you guys down over here and give you an example of what's going on. These grates here are picking up my charcoal to get it closer to my meat. That's going to help a lot with getting the barbecue done a lot faster. Also, what it does is it allows for air to go underneath and kind of fuel the fire a little bit. What was happening was that I was leaving my charcoal on the bottom, and as it was ashing up, it was starting to turn itself off. So this is how I was able to save myself a little bit on the charcoal, because now I put in maybe like about half a bag. There's still about half of the charcoal in there, and the heat source is closer to my meat, and I won't have to use a lot of it during the cook. Again, these are heavy duty adjustable grates. Like I said, I'm gonna have a link on the description below if you guys are interested. You can probably, if you have a smaller barbecue pit, you might just need to buy 1 or maybe even just 2, and this will allow you to adjust the width of it. They come pretty compact. You adjust the width, and you can I can actually make these a little bit wider and even bring it up a little bit more if I really wanted to. But that's just a real quick tip for you guys to try to save yourself a little bit of money on your charcoal. The other great thing about this is that when it's time for the cleanup, all I have to do is go down here and start cleaning it up like this without having to mess with the actual fire up there. Right? So this has been the Smoking Beer. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. See you guys.